Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do something exciting. We are going to do a DNA test with which I purchased online from MyHeritage like 2 weeks ago, and we received the parcel, and let's see what's inside.
Let's cut this and open the package.
We got two, one for each person. So let's see what is inside, okay? Wow, what is this?
Currently there's a few things. One is a DNA kit activation reminder. So this one, there's an activation code. And then of course the instructions on how to use everything. And we have one letter. This letter is to send to USA so that they can check our DNA. And we have a biohazard packet right here. I believe this is where we put our samples. Then in this box here, there are a few stuff. There got two like very long sticks. I don't know, I believe we need to put it in our nose or our mouth.
You look like the swab test, right? Like, I don't know, let's read. Oh, I
think
it's to put in the mouth. Later we will check. Yeah. But why do we need to do two? Okay.
I'm not so sure, but they have two like sample dials that we can put. Mostly.
Yeah, it's our first time to do this type of thing. So maybe X will read out the instruction because he's good at reading.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so number one, we make the kit online, and then we open the test kit and lay out the unopened swabs and vials. Then number three, we remove one cheek swab from its wrapper and swab the head to scrape the inside of our cheeks. Yeah, while rotating the swab for 30 to 60 seconds. Then number four, we open one vial, insert the swab inside, swab and down, and once the swab touches the bottom of the vial, break the swab against the inside edge of the vial at the marked black line, leaving the swab and inside the liquid in the vial. Okay, similar to a COVID-19 test kit. Then number five, close the vial cap tightly. Number six, do the same thing on the other cheek, and insert to the second vial. I think they just have two vials, so one is like just to test against the other, I believe lah. Then number seven, make sure the vial caps are closed tightly and put into the vial or the cotton pad inside the plastic bag, which is this biohazard bag, and close the ziplock. And then we send this to the envelope right here, MyHeritage. Okay, that's all. So yeah, so why not we start doing this?
Yeah, so I think we will register the thing online later, so we will do the sampling first,
packing first lah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you drink? Right. Okay.
Oh, do we need... Wait, for best result, please do not eat, drink, chew gum or smoke for 30 minutes before collecting your DNA sample.
Alright, I think we will wait
for 30 minutes. Because I
okay.
just had my Red Bull. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's been 30 minutes and we already actually registered ourselves using this DNA activation reminder kit. There's an app for MyHeritage DNA. Otherwise, if you don't want to download the app, there is also the website right here. Now what we're gonna do, we are going to do the swab ourselves on the left and the right cheek, right? Are you excited, Pete?
I will follow you.
Okay.
Okay, so there are two. Please make sure we don't mix up our DNA code. Okay, and what we can. This reminds me of COVID-19.
So I'm doing on the left first.
30 to 60 seconds. That's quite long.
Ta-da. Then we obviously put it into this small vial, and then at the vial there's a black thing. You can just break the thing off, right? Ta-da, done.
Itu correct ah?
Only one cheek now on the one side, left one.
Doing this.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
cannot. I mix it.
You really
I accidentally put it on the dial that I already have done.
I already have another swab here and I put it together. Shit. Okay lah, then I put this here.
Order you.
It's a bit of a mix up, but anyway, it comes from the same mouth, right?
Oh, you be careful.
Yeah. So now 2 in each one. Don't make the same mistake as me. Which is funny lah.
Yeah, I'm done. Be careful, man.
Yeah, so Pete Yung actually have a counter. She do 1 minute.
60 seconds, what?
No, 30
Okay.
seconds
30 to
30
60.
to 60 lah.
Yeah,
whatever
read
lah.
instructions. So I done perfectly.
Yeah, I done imperfectly.
So then we carefully put the
Yeah.
sample inside. But just make sure the cap is sealed properly.
Seal.
Then we put it into the plastic bag together.
Into the biohazard.
Yeah.
plastic bag.
Got it? Okay. And close it. Alright.
Next we put it into this MyHeritage dial. Dial pula. letter. Okay.
Yeah. Still eat
And then seal it.
But we still need to get the stamp, right? So we will have to check it out at the post office later.
Yep.
Right.
We need to buy a stamp at the post office. And finally, make sure you keep this because you got to know like I mean, if you don't have the app, right, you still need to know the barcode number. Otherwise, you might get mixed up with other person's DNA test. So yeah, there's a place here you can write name the person being tested.
This is for ourselves, right?
Yep, for ourselves.
Okay, so yeah, let's see what we're going to get, when we're going to get the result, and then we will share a little bit more. But so for the cost of these 2 kits is 78 USD, and free shipping cost if you buy 2 kits. So I will attach the link in the description if you are interested, and then maybe you can find us in the app. So X has already added a lot of details of your family, right?
Yeah, I add some of the details of the family members, close family members that I know, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and you find it useful. Maybe you want to do a DNA test yourself. So that's all from you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.